everyone, my name is Sarah Bond. Thank you so much for participating in this month's volunteer challenge, a hygiene supply drive. We'll be collecting personal hygiene supplies to donate to Restore and Repair Missionary Outreach. For this drive, volunteers will be collecting the following items: reusable toiletry bags, face masks, pocket tissues, toothbrushes, toothpaste, lotion, chapstick, bar soap, and hand warmers. In addition to the hygiene supplies, the organization has requested that our volunteers collect pet food. Many of their clients are having a difficult time purchasing pet food for their service animals and other pets, so the organization has asked our volunteers to collect both dog food and cat food. Items collected should be in new, unused condition. Travel size or full-size items are fine, though full-size items are preferred. There are two ways for you to get involved in this monthly challenge. The first is gathering supplies. You can participate in the hygiene drive by collecting or purchasing supplies individually, or by hosting a drive in your network to increase your impact. If you host a drive, we recommend reaching out to family, friends, coworkers, neighbors, your school community, really anyone you can think of who might be interested in supporting this project. Make sure to let your donors know about the March 31st deadline for donating supplies and tell them how to deliver supplies, either to you or directly to Restore and Repair. All donations can be delivered to Restore and Repair Missionary Outreach at this address on 3 dates: March 20th, 27th, and 31st between 11 a.m. and 5 p.m. If you'd prefer to purchase supplies online and ship them directly to Restore and Repair, please send them to this address by March 31st. These addresses will also be listed in the volunteer information packet. The second way to participate in this monthly challenge is by helping United Way deliver hygiene supplies from our office to Restore and Repair. We receive donations from companies and individuals throughout the year, and due to the pandemic, many of these supplies have been piling up in our office. We could use your help on March 20th to come to our office, load up your car with hygiene supplies, and deliver them to Restore and Repair between 11 a.m. and 5 p.m. If you're interested in helping out with driving supplies on March 20th, please reach out to Nadia Gondra. Thank you so much for participating in this month's volunteer challenge to support community members in need of hygiene supplies. Please feel free to reach out to the United Way team if you have any additional questions about this project. We can't wait to see the impact Emerging Leaders 365 will have on getting these much-needed supplies into the community. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Jake Janish, and I'm the Rental Assistance Program Manager at United Way of King County. And I am so excited that this monthly challenge is focused on ending homelessness and collecting supplies for our neighbors in need. On any given night, there are over 11,700 people experiencing homelessness in King County, and sadly this number has only increased due to the high cost of living, loss of jobs, and financial hardships during the pandemic. A major way that United Way of King County has been tackling the homelessness crisis over the past year during COVID-19 is around eviction prevention. Our region faces an eviction crisis of unprecedented scale, meaning that tens of thousands of King County residents are at an increased risk of eviction because of the ongoing pandemic and its effects, which include illness, loss of income, and unemployment. Thus, King County has created a $41 million program to assist households economically impacted by the coronavirus. United Way responded quickly in partnership with the county to deploy this rent assistance and eviction prevention program to help those who have been unable to meet rent obligations and are at a risk of eviction. This program offers rent assistance and eviction prevention through various funds such as a lottery for individuals and bulk payments to large residential landlord properties and manufactured home parks. Over 2020, United Way was able to provide 6 months of rental assistance to over 10,000 households, in which over 70% were BIPOC-led families. This has allowed families to enter the new year of 2021 debt-free and stress-free, not having to worry on how they're going to pay for the rent as the first of the month approaches. In order to do this, United Way partnered with strong community-based partners such as Urban League, Wellspring Family Services, Neighborhood House, Housing Connector, and Solid Ground to make this work happen. However, as we look to the future, these households are still in need, along with thousands of other individuals experiencing homelessness in our city. Thus, we need your help to collect hygiene materials and cold weather items to continue to support all of these people in need. These items that many of us take for granted will further support households so they don't have to spend their money on basic necessities. I am so excited to partner with Restore and Repair Missionary Outreach for this challenge, who focus on bringing unity back in communities when families and individuals are struggling due to loss of jobs, food insecurity, housing displacement, mental health, and a series of troubling systematic barriers. Thank you so much for your help and participation to support the homelessness crisis in our region by participating in this monthly challenge. Thank you.